Today I am going to show you how I just make a website and I just deploy this website. Okay, uh, because in the most of student they just make their project by using a React or Django, but they don't know about how to deploy it, because these projects are running in their local system. Okay, in their local system means only the person who create the project they can access the project, but the other person means it's not globally available. Okay, but now today I just what can I do? Today I just upload this website, this type of project. It's maybe Django or a React project. I just make your project to the global. Okay, means I just show that how it's possible. Okay, okay, just open the VA. Okay, I have a project. First I just show you I have one project is there. Okay, I have one project. I show you. So where is this one? My project. Okay, I show you the any type. I just take any type of project. Okay, like a blog 2. Okay, this type of project. Now I already make this project, but now I just deploy this project. First I run the project how it's look like. Okay, but most of all many means the if you create the project in the by using Django, then it's running in the 8000 port. If you make your project by using React, then it's 3000 port. Okay, but any type of project, it's maybe dynamic or static, any type of project you can deploy in your website. Okay, in your web server. There are many type of web server is there, means the paid web server and the free web server, but today I am going to show you how you freely deploy your website. Okay, you freely deploy your website. Okay, I just run the okay here cm. Okay, I just open the project. Okay, this project is not available in the globally, but now I make it globally. Okay, so my virtual environment is now activated. Just write some command, venv. You already know that. Okay, venv script slash activate. Then I just activate my virtual environment. Then cd c maybe yes. Okay, then I just run my server. Okay, Python py run server. Okay, then my server is now wake up. Okay, if all the program is correct, then my server is wake up. Okay, then I just show you there are specific. Okay, some okay. Now my server is wake up. Okay, I just open the server, how it's look like, how the website look like. Okay, like that. Okay, this is my website. Okay, um, this is a simple website. Okay, I just give the how you deploy your any type of project, any type of Django project uh, uh, in the web browser. Okay, in the server side, how you deploy your project, how you deploy your Django project. Okay, this is my here this is a simple website. Okay, simple website. I make a simple CRUD operation. CRUD operation means create, read, update and delete. Through this website we perform a CRUD operation. Okay, so I can add here I already I add some data. Okay, and here if I just add anything, just abc, anything, the email address, I just give the email address, autofill, automate. Okay, I just give an email address and everything. I just my address and just I just write btm. Okay, then I just give my number, everything. Okay, now is added. Okay, now you just wait, now it's added. Okay, And because when you create a Django project, okay, when you create a Django project, by default you have your database is SQLite 3 database, okay. But I say that how I change the SQLite default database to your required database, means which type of your online database, means which is available in the server side, which because you deploy your project, okay, you deploy your project, that's why your database also present in the server side also, because how he communicate if your website require some data, so how he get the data. So that's why you also deploy your database also, you also deploy your database in the web server, okay. So I just show you very easy process, means your project have compatible, in the Vercel, because I use Vercel server, okay, a Vercel server and a database, a railway database, okay. Here I use Vercel server, okay. I just show you how it's okay. First you do something. First you just open the this project, open the project in the VS Code. Then I just say what was the change you do for making it compatible for Vercel, for deploying this project in the Vercel, okay. You just make some changes, that's why your project is now capable to deploy in the Vercel server, okay. In the I just open the CRUD operation. In here I just write the cmd, and here code dot, okay, means I just open the VS Code. Now it's opening. It takes some time, okay. Just open, why it's okay. It's opening now because the many projects are there, that's why. Okay, and this is the setting part, okay. I think your computer is, if your computer is so fast, then it can open easily, but in my system it takes some time, okay. So you just change something, okay. In the I also give the document file, what you change. I just give one text document file, okay. TXT file. I just give one TXT file. There I mention what you changes inside the inside the setting and which type of file you add, okay. You add everything, I just show you, okay. Here here what can I do, just first I show you, you just make your project, okay. Your project is already created, then you need one JSON file, okay. This type of file is required, okay. This file is required. You just create in the main directory, means the in the base directory. You just create the this type of Vercel.json, okay. Vercel.json, and inside the Vercel.json you write some code, okay. In the code I just explain what is this. In the code you just target, you just say that where is my WS website gateway file, website gateway.py file is there. Where is my, in the CRUD app I have in the CRUD app I have this one, and this one is the WSGI file, okay. This one, and you just mention the where is your WSGI file, and you just mention all these things. I just show you here. I just mention the WSGI file, okay. And here you again say that you go to the CRUD folder, and inside the CRUD folder we have a WSGI file is there, WSGI.py file is there, okay. And then okay, you have one doubt how I get this type of code, okay. I just show you. I also give the TXT file also. You just copy paste this thing, okay. In the Vercel I just I have the JSON file, show you. I just show you. I have one doc file is there. Okay, inside the doc file, the JSON part is I write the JSON part. Okay, JSON code. I write the JSON code. You just modify the JSON code. You just write your respective folder. You just change the you just you just target the WSGI file. Okay, here from I also write like that. This on the Vercel.json file. You just copy like that. You just copy this thing. Okay, you just copy this thing and paste inside the Vercel.json file. Okay, you just create one Vercel.json file, and inside the Vercel.json file you just paste all this code. Okay, you just paste all this code. Okay, after you paste all this thing, you just modify simple two things. The first one is the src, the first one the src, and here and the and this one you just and destination dst dest, and the src and dest. Okay, you just change two things. Okay, here you just give your where is your WSGI file is present. Okay, you just in my case okay, in my case my WSGI file is present inside the CROD, in the CROD folder, and maybe your WSGI file is present in somewhere, means according to your project, according to your project folder. Basically this CROD WSGI file is present inside the project folder. Okay, and okay, this one the first step. Okay, in the second step, what you do, you just download. Okay, then you have one requirements.txt, not require, it's case sensitive. Okay, you have requirements, not meant, requirements.txt. You need requirements.txt file. Okay, in the requirements.txt file, you just here you have this type of means in my project that much package is required for running my project. Okay, so how I know that that much of project that much package is required for my project? That's why how I know that. I just you think that I remember everything? No. So how I get this thing? So here I just this show you. So one command is there. I'll show you. There are many command is there, but here I show you the command. One freeze command is there. So freeze pip install freeze. Just pip freeze. I'll show you freeze command. There are many command are there. That's why okay. And just freeze it. Okay, just wait. Show you many command I already write. Okay, so again I just show you. Okay, yes, pip audio packet. Okay, I just manually write this thing. Okay, pip freeze. So if you don't know how to freeze, how to create a requirement.txt, so you can Google it. If you write, just write pip freeze, FRIZE freeze. Okay, if you just write in the Vercel how to know the how to freeze the data. Okay, so you can Google it. Okay, how to freeze the data. So how to requirements.txt, how to create a requirement.txt in Python. Okay, automatically suggest that. Okay, so you need this type of command. Everything is available in the Google. You don't need to remember everything. You just simply run this pip freeze. Okay, pip freeze requirements. I already said that. You just write requirements.txt because it's this type of file recognized by the Vercel. Okay, they just recognize the requirements.txt file, and he just install all this package whatever present inside the requirement.txt. In the requirement he just install one by one, okay, in the web server, okay, when you deploy your project, because your project need this type of package. So automatically Vercel handle this thing, okay. You just write pip freeze and requirement.txt, control C, I just paste inside, but I don't want to freeze again because I don't want to freeze. You just hit enter, then automatically this file is created, okay. If you want I just delete this file, okay. I just delete a requirement.txt file, and automatically if I hit enter, automatically requirement.txt file is created. You just see what happened, okay. Shift plus delete, permanently I just permanently delete my txt file, okay. Then I just hit the enter, I just hit the enter button, and here pip freeze the requirement, automatically and the requirement.txt file is created, okay. It's showing a red color. Now it's showing modify. You don't think about why it say that modify, because everything is present inside the GitHub there. And that's why I have GitHub. Then this is the because this package is tracked by the git repository, so that's why it's said that it's modified. But you don't think about, because you already know the GitHub, because GitHub is require for everything you do after you create the project. Then you just deploy, first you upload your project inside the GitHub, okay. After you just upload everything, then the next procedure happen. I just say that step by step, okay. Now everything is created, okay. In the requirement.txt, here pip freeze requirement.txt is there, okay. These many file is required, okay. These many file is required. That's why here pip freeze, I just write pip freeze, then this type of okay. So so then that much code is required. This type of package is required for your project, okay. After then the second, I say the second step, okay. The first step is complete. The second step, the first step you create the JSON file, and this one the first step, okay. This one the second step is requirement.txt, okay. The third step, in the third step you just I just go to the setting. In the setting you just add one database. If your project have database, then you only see this part, or you just skip this part. In the database you no need to change anything. If you have database, if your project needs some database, that's why you just change your in Django. We have the default database is the SQLite 3 database is there here, and the default database is there, but I just remove the, you just you have one database, you just go to the default database, and you just remove the default database, and you just paste this database, okay. This database I also say that how you get the engine name, and how what is your name, and what is your user, and what is your password, and what is the host name, what is your port name. You just mention, I just say that everything, I say that, okay. You just wait, I just show you how I get this type of information. So I also give this type of template also, okay. I also give this type of template also, okay. I also show you. So you just modify this thing, okay. You just modify in this thing, okay. Okay. So I am going to now, I just you just to go to the, okay. So you just go to the web browser, okay, and here simply write and railway app, railway dot app, okay. Automatically suggested, okay. railway app. So now the part is how to connect your how to change your default database to your required database. Which type of database? Now I just use the PostgreSQL. So we have one way to connect the database, because because first you just no need to log in this page. Okay, this one the railway.app. Okay, in the railway.app I log in, because every time I just work here, that's why I log in the railway.app. But you no need to log in this app. Okay, you just create the start a new project. Okay, you just click here, and then you just create the this one, the PostgreSQL. Okay, then you just click here. Okay, then it takes some time. It create a database. Okay, it create a database. That database is present inside in the server. Okay, in the server side you create. Now what can I do? I just create the database in the server side. Okay, not in the local site, because now after 10 to 20 minutes, then I just my website is live. Okay, that's why. And now my database is created. Okay, and my database is created. Now I just click in the database. So here one connect button is there. You see one connect button is there, and in the connect button you have everything. You get everything: your username, here your password, your port number, your username, everything is hidden. You just see the everything. Just to copy this thing also. Okay, you just click here and copy, and you just paste where? You just paste inside the code respective post. You just see this thing. You just remove your default database. You if you really good in Django, you can understand properly. Okay, so you just add this so the third step is complete. Okay, so the third step is complete. Now your database already your database is added. Okay, now your database is added. Then what can you do? Okay, no need to write the django.config. So here nothing is required. Okay, so you need something. Okay, you just in the setting you just add two things. Okay, the static directory, you mostly add this thing. Okay, the static dir is equal to os.path.join base dir static. Okay, you just copy this thing, just control C, copy this thing and paste inside the in the last, in the end of the setting, in the end of the setting page, you just to paste this thing, this two line. Okay, this two line you just paste. I already paste this thing. Okay, and everything is you already write you have your setting is everything is written. Okay, but you just in the end you just add two line. Okay, I also give this document file, this doc file I also give in the description. Okay, now what can you do? Okay, this one is the third step. Okay, the first step is the Vercel.json, the second one is the requirement.txt, and the third one is the setting.py. Okay, setting.py, your setting.py is okay. Now it changes. Okay, I just forget. You just add one thing. You just give the local host. Okay, in the local host you just search in the local host. In the allowed host, you just like that, you just give the star. If you don't know anything, then you just give star. If you know something, so you just write like that, the Vercel app, Vercel app.now.sh, now.sh. So what is the Vercel app? What is the now.sh? I just explained what is this. But if you don't know what is the meaning of Vercel app and what is the meaning of .now.sh file, so you just give one star, and this star is wrapped in the quote, single quote or double quote. It is a string form. Just give the string. Okay, star string means everything. You just allow everything. That means you just allow everything. Okay, So in the setting, everything I say everything, okay, and then your setting part is complete. Now your setting part is complete. So in the so go to the fourth step. This one the first, second, and this one the third step is complete. Then the fourth step. So in the fourth step, what can you do? In the go to the app, okay, WSGI file. Go to the where is your WSGI? In the CRUD you have one WSGI file is there, okay. In the WSGI file, your Vercel app don't know, the application. That's why he know only the app. So you just say that my app is equal to my app equal to your application. You just write app equal to your application, this application. Then your Vercel application recognize this thing, okay. There your Vercel application recognize it, okay. And then everything is done, okay. Now the time come to I just check my git status. Now you just deploy everything. So okay, I just miss one thing. So here .env file, okay. Here I just create a .env file. Inside the env file I just and this one is the database URL, okay. This one is the URL. This URL, this database is present somewhere, okay. You don't know where the database is present, but your database is your SQL, your PostgreSQL database is present inside the server, okay, in the server. And this one is the URL. How I get this URL? So I just show you how I get the URL. Here the first line, you just see the database URL. Here you get the URL, okay. And I just simply copy this URL, and I just paste inside the .env file, okay. This one the URL and database URL, this one the database URL, okay. And this URL is required. That's why I just paste here. When I deploy my project, in this time this URL is required, okay. And I also use GitHub here. In the I just show you the git status, and a build file also required. There are many things is required. I show you one by one. I just remember, okay. And one thing is required. Your build.sh file is there. One sh file also you require, okay. Your okay, I show you this build underscore file.sh file also require, okay. Your one sh file is required. So I just write this sh file. I don't write anything here. So I just I show you where I write the same thing. I just write everything. I just same thing I write in different, in the blog, in different folder, because now in this one the final folder where I deploy everything, okay. I just organize the code. That's why it's because this one the final folder where I just deploy this thing. So here .sh file, where is the sh file? In the I just create one sh file, okay, in the CRUD application. So I show you here. You just to make one sh file also. So you if you don't have sh file, maybe it's working also. So you must add the sh file also, but here I did not add the sh file, but I suggest you just to add the sh file also. You just create one sh file. You just create one sh file, okay. So just create one build underscore file.sh. Then you just paste everything. Just to paste this thing. So here I just show you this one the auto run file. I just explain this thing. This one is the auto run file. So this one the auto run file means what happen here, automatically your Django server check the it open the requirement.txt. He just read the requirement.txt, and one by one he just install this package, okay. And that's the work of the build.sh file, okay. that's why we just write the build.sh file. Okay, and I just echo means message. This type of message showing means the when your build.sh file is your try to execute, then in the then you just get one message build started. Okay, when your old sh file is complete, all process is complete, then you get build.end. Okay, somewhere I just write this thing. Okay, wait, okay, I just show you in okay, Vercel app, many Vercel app. I have many Vercel app is there. Okay, because it's so easy, means it's very easy to deploy. So ess build file underscore sh, this one I just tell you, this one the file. Okay, in this project I but I forget that here I did not give the sh file in the CRUD. Where is the file.sh? Oh, I did not but this file is so important. Okay, this file is so important. If you don't have this file, so how your Vercel app recognize this, which type of package is required? So that's why. So that's happened due to, okay, so everything is open. So I just go to the Vercel. Here the same thing. Okay, I just go to the same thing, and here I just open the VS Code. Okay, I just check everything is committed or not. Now you just properly commit a meaningful message, then you just in a meaningful comment you just give a meaningful comment, and just commit your project. Okay, after you commit your project, then means I just say that you just upload everything in the GitHub. Okay, I don't discuss about the GitHub because this is a different topic. Means I make one video. Okay, I make one video for how to create, how to deploy, how to upload your project in the GitHub, how to create a branch. But you just say that, just see this thing, git branch. I have only one branch is there, the main branch is there, this one. Just wait, here I have only one branch is there. Okay, and here if git status, I just check the status, git status. So status, my status is so branch is clean. Okay, nothing is now present in the staging area, so everything is added in the git repository. Okay, so now everything is okay, I don't have any error. So now I just go to the GitHub. So now I just open the Vercel app, Vercel.com. Okay, so this one is the Vercel.com. Okay, in this website, through this website you just deploy everything. You just deploy your project, and in the railway app, this one is the database. Okay, this one you just you don't be confused, this one is the database, and this website is responsible for your database, how he just maintain everything about your database. Okay, and this Vercel, and both are free. Okay, both are free. Means you can deploy your dynamic website also. Means in your GitHub, in a GitHub page they have some limitation is there, and they are static, you just send the static, but here you have more feature is there. That's why I use this thing. Here we have many. I have also upload many pages is there, but now I just upload one project. Okay, new project. So in the Vercel, website, you just first log in. Okay, in the first you have to log in by using GitHub account. Okay, first you log in, then you perform what I do. Okay, so you just click here the new button. Okay, now you just go to the project, you just create a new project. In the new project, you just then here you have one option is there. Okay, here import a git repository. Okay, import my GitHub account is already connected. My GitHub account is already connected here, and here here my W block is there. Okay, in the W block I show you same code. In the I just open the GitHub. Okay, in GitHub this is my GitHub account, and W block is there. I show you same code is there. Okay, means I already comment this thing. Means this one the W block is there. Okay, because my GitHub account and the Vercel have one connection is there. Means when you create your Vercel account, then in this time Vercel automatically asks you just give your GitHub account, then the next procedure is started. Okay, now you just simply import button. You just click simply import button. It's not, if you just simply just press the import button, it's not means then we have some another process also there. Means inside you just click the import button, and after you import then here you just give the environment, you just set the environment. So what the meaning of environment? And in this time I give the database URL. Okay, here you just see that here I just go to the .env file, and here this one the database, and this one is the database, Control C, and in this one the database. Okay, just write you just give this database, Control C. So first I just write the name, database name, Control C, and here in the web server, here I just paste, I just set the environment. So what the key name? This one the key name, and this one the key name, and this one the value. Value means the database URL, which database you want to use in your project. Okay, this one. So I just to go to the URL. I just go to the URL, Control C, and you just remove this quote also. You just give simple middle thing. Okay, only the link, but I just wrap in this in the string URL string. Okay, I just make this thing URL string, Control C. Okay, you just take this one and you just paste inside the Vercel app. Okay, as a value. Just now you have one, my grammar lineage there. Okay, that's why it suggests something. Okay, now here add button is there. Now you just simply add this thing. Okay, now your key value pair is added. Okay, your database key and your database URL is added. Now your successfully your database is connected. Okay, now the time come to deploy. You have only one button. Okay, just so you just subscribe my channel, you like and subscribe my channel, because now your website is wake up. Okay, if you follow my process, then your website is wake up. Okay, by default it suggests some name. Okay, if you change the name, you can change the name also here. Okay, so XYZ, it just XYZ. Okay, XYZ, I just give XYZ underscore XYZ. Okay, everything, anything you just give. Okay, then you just deploy your website. Just deploying. Now the process is started. He said that 100. Okay, uppercase. Okay, so he just suggests something, Control Z. Okay, now I just check, because this type of domain is okay. Now just now it's okay. Okay, my deploy process is started. So you cannot give any type of name, but you just try. No, you just give a multiple name, but this type of, if this type of name is already available, and then you have one error. It's throw an error, because I take simply xyz, but this type of website is already available. This type of domain name is already available. That's why it's throw an error. That's why you just make it default. Means automatically he just give one thing. He automatically give you one domain name. He suggests one domain name. Okay, and this my building is started. Now after some time, means after 2 to 3 minutes, depend upon your internet speed and everything. Now it's building. My building process is started. Now he just install everything. Yeah, what is inside. Now he's building, means he just installing the requirement.txt. This type of package which is required for run my project. Then he just set up everything automatically, because I have that super sh file is there. So now you just see my website is wake up. Means my website is wake up, but this is your website. Okay, but I say that I just deploy my localhost website, this type of website. Okay, so where is localhost website? Okay, in the localhost I have one website is there, this website. But I say that so simply this process you just deploy your website also. This type of process also I again deploy this thing. So simply, if you want, you can delete this thing. So how you delete this thing? Okay, I'll show you how you delete this thing. So I mistakenly upload another, because in my GitHub many projects are there, so I mistakenly upload another project. But the project deployment procedure is complete, means you successfully deploy this project. Okay, so if you want, you can delete the project also. Here what can you do? Here the new project is come. Okay, here this one the another project. Okay, so how you if you want, you can delete. I just show you the delete procedure, how you delete if you mistakenly upload any another website, another project. So you can delete this thing. So you just click here the project name. Okay, and here one setting option is there. Okay, here one setting option is there, and you just to go to the end section here, and delete option is there. Okay, you just click here, delete, and he's just say that because he think that you mistakenly I think delete your project. That's why he just for confirmation, you just copy this thing. He said that enter your project name. This is your project name. Okay, to continue the process. Okay, deleting process. Control C, and you really want to delete this project, and this one the delete my project. Okay, you just say that. Okay, which type of action you want to perform? Delete my project. Control C. So now my project is deleted. Now it's given one success message. Okay, now it's, you just see your success message is now come. Okay, your project is now deleted. Okay, so I just search where is my this type of project. Okay, where I deploy this thing, w blog. Okay, this one the w blog. Okay, in the w blog. Okay, in the GitHub I just check where is my this type of project. In the I just go to the GitHub, and here w blog is there. Okay, now I just again deploy this deploy this app. Okay, this type of employee verification, employee data storing app. Okay, and this one the employee blog, and this one the employee blog. Okay, in the employee blog, I already this one the employee blog. Okay, this one the employee blog. I already deploy this thing in same process. You can just deploy this thing. Okay, here because I just show you, I already deploy this thing, this one the employee blog. Okay, the same process. I just say that I just give one example how to deploy this process. The same thing. Just open this thing. I just this one the I already deploy this thing. Okay, this one the you already deploy this thing. You just see the now it's opening my employee. This one the my employee blog. Here I can use everything. Okay, here I can use everything. Okay, I just show you. If I just open this thing in my tab, okay, in my tab I just open, because now the website is live. Okay, now the website is live. Now I just show you. I show you here. If I just go to the here, I just show you everything is happen. Just here I just show you. If I just emp employee you have one link, you get one link. Okay, just remember it. And then in this domain your website is hosted. Okay, you just hit enter and you just go to the this website. Okay, I just show you. If I go to the this emp, okay, emp blog, okay, you just see that. I think it's visible. Now you just see here this website is visible. I think this website is now it's wake up. You just see that now it's online. Please subscribe my channel. Okay, so every day I make this type of content and technical thing. I just but my topic is the coding and programming part and the backend part. Okay, please subscribe my channel. That's why I make that type of free content. Okay, how to freely means freely, no maintenance is there. Means if you go to the GoDaddy or many hosting or many platform is there, AWS. And I also say that how you deploy your website in the DigitalOcean, how you just purchase the domain, how your domain and your server, how you just purchase the server, then what was the plan and everything. I just I make the same project I deploy in the DigitalOcean also. If you just comment if you really need this type of content, so I definitely make a video how you just deploy. But it's so easy, means it's a very easy process. Okay, if I just here if I changes something, because now my project, if you want you can delete it. Okay, you just see that what happened here. Here one abc file is there. Okay, here if I want to edit it, okay, abcd I want to d, I just d, abcd is there. Okay, now I just save it. Okay, now I just save it. Okay, yes, my abcd is now it's changed to abcd. Okay, okay, you just see here. If I refresh the page, automatically d is there. Okay, I just zoom it. You just see d is there. It's visible. I think abcd means because your data, your project is now hosted, means everything is inside the server. Now everything is inside the server, means it's so dynamic, means you can if you have so much control, means in previously you do everything in the local host, but now in the you just share this link your friend. You say that I deploy my website, I deploy my website, I have database, I have server, everything. Means it's so easy, no need to give any money. Okay, so it's free. Means I also, there are many type of platform is there. Okay, so the first platform is the Vercel, then Heroku is there, then Railway is there. Railway also provide Railway also support, you can deploy there also. But now you cannot use the Heroku, because Heroku is Heroku now it's rich, means it's he said that just give me some amount of money, then you can deploy. there, because Heroku now it's not free, it's paid platform, it's converted into paid platform. Okay, so but this platform is available now, this platform is available, but in future some platform is come, because maybe in future this platform may be paid, but now you just enjoy by using this platform, means you can deploy your project, you can share your friend, because most of the college student, they just make their project, but they did not they did not want to invest money, they did not want to spend money to deploying this, they don't have any enough knowledge how to deploy and everything, so they don't buy any domain, and most of the professional also, they think that why I just because I don't have any user. So if you have any you have so much experience how to deploy, and if you have big project, then you can deploy this thing. I also in the previous video I just said that how to make a e-commerce website, and I also say that how you deploy your e-commerce website also, and your friend also use this thing. You just check my previous e-commerce website video, because there I say that how you make a e-commerce website, and how everything is dynamic, and many users you can log in there. Your reset password is the main thing. Is there this website is high level website, means there you can, if you forget the password, you really forget this password, then you can give the email address, and one message, one email come to your mobile device. Okay, then here you just get one OTP. Through this OTP you can change reset the password, and if you want to change the password also, there are many things, and if you just say that if you need this type of content, and so I definitely make separate video, make it separate video. Okay, so so please like, subscribe, and what, just subscribe my channel. Okay, so I have some motivation, so I make that type of content. Okay, bye. So okay.